Reverse plank, fingers forward. The reverse plank hold with the fingers forward trains body alignment, shoulder extension, shoulder external rotation, scapular retraction and depression, and it offers some gnarly wrist mobility. The reverse plank is a progression from the tabletop holds. If you're struggling to hold this shape, I suggest you work on the tabletop variations first. Sit on the floor and place your hands by your sides with the fingers facing forwards. Lift the chest up towards the sky while depressing the shoulders by pulling them down your back and towards your back pockets. Externally rotate the shoulders by twisting the hands into the floor towards the pinky fingers. The elbow pits are facing forwards and the elbows are locked. You will also find greater strength in shoulder retraction and depression when the shoulders are externally rotated. Move the hips forward of the hands and then lift them off the floor. Walk the feet forward until you start to feel a stretch in the front of the shoulders and down the biceps. At no stage should you feel pain in the elbows. If you start to feel pain, you should walk the feet back and find a range that doesn't cause pain. Straighten the legs by contracting the quads and pointing the toes. Contract the glutes and set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, while lifting the chest up towards the sky and pinching the shoulder blades together behind your back. Keep twisting the hands into the floor to maintain shoulder external rotation and do not allow the elbows to bend. If the stretch is easy, you can start to walk the feet further forward to increase the intensity. Hold the reverse plank for the prescribed time.